Crypto domain investing isn't working anymore. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why, what changed, and the one type of domain that still has a real shot at selling. Because if you're still holding and waiting, you could be quietly losing money every single year. Here's the part most people don't know. Over 90% of domains listed for sale never sell. Not sell slowly, not sell eventually, never sell. And crypto domains, they get hit even harder. So if you've been waiting for that one big sale, this is why it hasn't happened. But it gets worse. You did everything right. You bought strong names, you followed trends, you waited, and nothing happened. That's not your fault. The market changed. There was a short window when this worked. Crypto exploded, companies rushed in, good names were scarce, buyers paid fast, that window is gone. Now anyone can register a crypto domain. That created a flood, and when supply explodes, prices collapse. Simple math. Back then, buyers competed. Now, sellers compete. And when sellers compete, most lose. But that's not even the biggest shift. Buyers change too. They don't chase anymore. They compare everything. They use AI tools. They generate brand names instantly. They wait, they negotiate hard. And here's the kicker. They don't even want crypto in their name anymore. It feels limiting. It feels hype driven. It feels outdated. So instead of best crypto something, they want names like Stripe, Robinhood, Coinbase, short, clean, flexible. That shift alone killed demand for most crypto domains. So what happens next? People hold, they renew, they wait, they hope, year after year. But here's the real problem. Most of those domains were never assets. They were bets. Bets on a moment in time. And that moment passed. That's the hard truth most people avoid. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all domains failed, a few still work. And the reason they work changes everything. Quick question for you. Be honest. How many domains in your portfolio would a real company actually build on today? Drop a number in the comments. I'm curious what you'll say. Here's the shift. The game is no longer crypto plus keyword. The game is this. Can a real business build on this name? That's it. That's the filter now. And this is where something like defibeacon.com stands out. It doesn't feel like a keyword. It feels like a product. Beacon means signal, guidance, clarity. You can picture it instantly. A dashboard, a tool, a platform. That's why it works. Not because it says DeFi, but because it means something useful. That's the difference now. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. So what actually still works today? Very simple rules. Names that are short, clean, brandable, names that feel like products, names a real company would pay to own. And most importantly, you can't wait anymore. You need real outreach, real buyers, real positioning. Because listing and waiting, that strategy is dead. Let me give you a quick reality check. Look at your best domain right now. Ask yourself, would I buy this today? Would a company build on this? Is it better than 100 alternatives? If the answer is no, that's not an asset, that's a cost. Here's the bottom line. Crypto domain investing isn't working anymore. The market is crowded, buyers are smarter, most domains won't sell, but a few still work. The ones that feel like real businesses, not guesses, not hype, real assets. If this helped you see your portfolio differently, hit subscribe. I'll break down what actually sells now and how to pivot before you waste another year renewing names.